In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on MotiveWave. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to select the asset you want to trade. So I'm going to go down here to the bottom where the symbols are, and I'm going to find one. For this example, we're going to do Amazon. So I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to pop up here on the chart. Now, by default, you should be able to see this trading panel over here on the right. But if you've mistakenly closed it so it doesn't show like this, you can go to View up top, and you can click on Trade Panel or press Alt plus T on your keyboard, and then it's going to show. Now, here you have position and order. So, of course, you can either open a position or place an order. It's up to you. I'm just going to go with a position here where you can adjust your quantity. You could go ahead and select either day or GTC. And then from here, you can then go and buy or sell. So you have buy market or sell market, buy ask or sell ask, or you have buy or sell bid. Okay. Now, whenever you select the one that you want to do, just click on it over here. And there we go. The trade is going to be placed. You could also place orders. If I go to order up top, I can just go ahead and select quantities and stuff like that, and then click on buy or sell, and that's basically going to allow me to then change it and adjust it and submit it. So if I do buy right now, I'm going to do quantity. It's going to be 6. The type right now, it's going to be a market for now, and then the expires can be GTC or day again. If you want to add limit or stop loss, you can do it over here, or of course if you want trail, you could also do it over here, and then you can either discard or click on submit. If you click on submit over here, you'll hear the sound, and as you can see, it's now been filled, and under positions, I've successfully placed a trade, an order, or a position. Okay, so that's how to place trades on MotiveWave. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.